If you don't enter forest, people no go do what.
Evil forests and evening walk.
Don't enter forest,
Ah, see, walks like this make me doubt if I'm in the UK. Because look at the bush and bushes. I better come back.
Which place clear so for Naija? For inside bush.
I don't. Just look at. Look at the path. Like road to nowhere. Literally road to nowhere. We are walking to nowhere. Look at that jaga hair that she's having. Don't be go lose that. Make another one. We are walking to nowhere.
Why is your camera so dirty?
I better leave my camera. Why is it dirty?
Always not clean. You don't go take it. You're not better.
It's better now.
I say your camera.
I'm very. I forget that cameras get dirty. That you have to wipe it.
Yeah, we don't see berries.
Which berries? Where is the berries? She wants to go and pluck berries. That's what I leave it in the house. And she'll eat it though. That colored one. That one where they like. We get the that color. What's is this sweet? See. It's sweet though. Bush berries.
Wild berries, not bush berries.
Wow.
They are bush berries.
Evening walk.
Bottom. Because dog the start to eat.
Abi? See the berries. Look at them. See them. Evening walk / berry picking. And berry eating. This is sweet today. Oh. The last time you plugged it was not sweet.
You don't plug out the baby before.
That's one of the advantage of this bush path walk. Because
At least it's not like if no video at home, you can see.
I swear. Bush paths walks, evening walk.
Only people will grow.
See. So I have to jump this thing now. Do I have a choice? See now, me I don't need to touch her. Come on, video me. I don't need to touch it. Come, just come on, video me first. Come and take this camera. Video me. You touch this thing. I don't need to touch it.
Wait. That's it.
Even though, sorry, why you struggle?
No, I don't struggle. Why should I struggle? It's just up and down. Why should I struggle?
Now I say, you can't video me. Now you know say you can't show yourself.
No, now you want
I better get out. Get out. Don't video me again. Shape catch me for wait see bad belly. People don't want somebody's progress. Somebody wants to progress, or they will not allow somebody. Before they must be. You have to use somebody to progress. The normal thing. You want to show yourself. We shall look at these beautiful flowers, guys. See, beautiful flowers. Huh? No, but you get hay fever. You see the light bush thing. She has hay fever, but she still likes bush.
The country because very soon.
But it's too hot, though. Hey God, why is it too hot today? See that jumper I wore? I had to remove it when I went to the market.
It's hot.
Cause it was boiling.
When I went for a walk this morning, I don't wear any jumper.
When I get home, I'll try and bath with cold water.
Okay. That would be good now.
But no matter how I want to summon courage, cold water is one thing I've never had to bathe.
In the UK.
I could not bathe it.
For 2 weeks, it was cold water.
I don't try them, man. So many times I had to still switch to the hot one because I nearly want to see my creator. I nearly wanted to visit my creator and be like, Papa God, I'm here for you. Use me. But how the way that this place is so, you walk to the beginning and to the end.
Comes here.
Look at this.
So, yeah.
It's like a field though. Let me see where it's. It's a uncleared field. Jesus. End of no return. Look at. See, like we've not seen a single. If you like, go hide. Rubbish. Nonsense. Look at this girl. I go just walk forward. She don't go hide. If you like, go hide. You're old. Somebody will carry you and come to evil forest. Next thing they will leave you and be going to Sambisa. Why you waka leave me? They go front. What happened? Don't go mash it. You don't mash it, ba? Hey, wait. Let me see. You mash it. You mash it, oh. Ew. Ew. You not pick another berry. Okay. You know my berry picker. See apples, baby. Where the apple tree there now?
You need the apple tree for your project.
Baby, let's plug now. Now, question I ask, I don't keep us. Guys, look at this beautiful apple tree.
What's beautiful about the apple?
It's beautiful, Joyce, or beautiful? So there's plenty of apple inside. Look, let's pluck some now. Come on, climb. Come on. Come on, climb. It's already. Come on. You say what? No, but you look like a climber. You have climber tendency. Hey, go. What's the time I say pass? Alright, do not plug another berry. I'll plug your chopper finish. Lord, I'm still counting my blessings. This walk, you go past 1 hour, but we don't video small. This chair, is this a bench or a chair? See, somebody can ask question please in this life. I don't understand. Innocent question what I go ask you. You know say oh my God. Hey wait. Want that? How this small? The advantage of all this bushwalker. Something has beat me. My leg is itching me now. You see, look at this house, guys. I think we are getting to civilization gradually. I'm hearing some sounds of cars. I'm hearing sounds of cars. That means we don't enter. Finally, civilization. Here we come. We are almost getting to civilization. Civilization. Here we come. Civilization. Oh. Here we come. Civilization. Here we come. We're finally in the world of words. So from here now we're going back home.
No, we are going to the moon.
If you're in Fuko mood about it, nonsense. Let's go ask you simple question. Why they do violence? Eh? Violence. Violence. I'm already tired at this point. Let me see how many steps. See? 6,000. Why are you closing? 6,858 steps. Oh, voila. Finally, we are home, guys. After a long bush walking. Let me remove this now. Since I got this neck band that I put on my phone, my life has been easier. Just hang it on my neck. So how many steps did we have today? Let's see. Someone's thinking, oh my god, see. 9,600 and I think, let me see. 9,631 steps. We tried. The way I'm hot. Need to pour water on my body. Okay. See you guys. Catch you full cowboy.